too often when a content creator has an issue with their audio, like there's a lot of noise, I hear too much echo, my voice is too indirect. You might think you want to replace the microphone because it does not sound good, but instead you need to learn how to use it properly. With just a little understanding of how a microphone works, you can also get great results. After watching this video, you will understand how to use your microphone and how that will give you professional sounding recordings. Hi, I'm Marlon. Full disclaimer, this video is sponsored by DistroKid, the best way to distribute your music and podcasts. The first thing to understand is how to point your microphone. This may sound silly, but really this is done wrong so often that this needs to be addressed. You have to know that some microphones record from the front, while others record from the side. The look of the microphone don't always tell how to point it. If you take, for instance, this microphone and you take this microphone, they might look somewhat similar, but this one records from the side while this one records from the front. Now with these microphones, when you need to speak in the side, usually it's marked what the right side is. Since one side will record your voice and the other side will actually reject sound, you will notice that when I turn around the microphone, you notice that my voice will get softer and indirect. This is called sound rejection, but more on that later in this video. So be very aware of the correct placement of your microphone in relationship with the sound source, in this case your mouth. The second one is the distance to your microphone. When I stand here, you will hear a lot of room and the sound has a lot of echo. When I get closer, the room sound gets less and less. My voice will get more clear and I will sound more direct. The distance between you and the microphone will change the balance between your voice and the surrounding noise and room sound. The closer you get, the louder your voice will be in the microphone, so you can turn down any volume boost you do. And with that you also reduce background noise and echo. This alone makes your recording already sound so much better. So the trick is to have the microphone as close to your mouth as possible. This does not have to be in front of your mouth. Above or below can both work really well, as long as it points to your mouth. If you are really close, you naturally can get a low boost on your voice, which is called the proximity effect. Your voice can get more authority, and that will help if you say something like, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. This way you will stay up to date with tutorials like these, which will help you as a content creator. Okay, when you record as close as this, you also have the risk of plosives. This is when the wind of your mouth gets into the mic. You can avoid that by using a pop filter like this one, or something like this. Or you can speak over or under the microphone so the wind does not get into the mic. I briefly mentioned using the sound rejection capabilities of microphones to your advantage. The backside of microphones, which have a so-called cardioid pattern, will reject sound from the back and only record from the front. You can use that to your advantage by aiming the back of the microphone to a source where noise comes from. So you basically place it in between you and the sound source. Of course, when you speak, make sure you speak in the right side of the microphone. Now, when you have mastered the correct placement of a microphone, you need to mix your recordings to make it sound even better. I'll explain how to do that in the video, which is displayed on screen and linked in the description below. I'll see you in that video. Bye.